Driving School on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Hi folks, this is Benny with Pierre Driving School. This lesson today is on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. So if you live in our area, you want us to help with your driving lesson, anything driving related, check out the website pierredriving.com. And if you're found out on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We're doing this lesson here on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. We're going to do a few left and right while you guys are here. Then we're going to see how things to be on the lookout for. You know, driving requires some strong responsibility. Is it you and I, our responsibility to make sure that we train ourselves to the best of our ability when things occurred, we can know to our knowledge how we can handle them. Driving is already difficult within itself. The worst thing we can do is not educating ourselves, and when circumstances are arising, we are guessing what is the best thing to do. We do not want to do that. We're making a right turn here. We're going to check mirror right, shoulder right, and clear the turn. For the purpose of the road test, whenever you turn in, you must verify the mirrors and shoulder to cover the blind spot. We're coming up to a shared back lane. If you guys can see it, turn into a school zone area. We're going to continue to go here straight, all right? Right here, you stay right within our lanes. This lesson is on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas here at Pierre Driving School. We have lots of students around this, surrounding this area. So they're asking to do a lesson here. We are around here today. Matter of fact, I just ended my double lesson, started at 6 to 7:30. And I said, let me take the advantage, going back to my next one and shoot a few lessons right here, all right? So it's a 2-lane street, one to the right, one to the left, which is the best one. Similar to Beverly Wood. Beverly Wood is in the same lineup, okay? The only difference is that this one is a bit broader. Coming up to a traffic light. Come to a complete stop, nice and smooth, then a rush. Paying good attention to all your surroundings. Okay, traffic is clear. Before fully accelerate, you make sure that you verify all your corners. Okay, make sure nobody is squeezing in. You'll be in so much shock how much somebody gonna try to squeeze in while you're pushing out, then it's gonna be a problem. At the road test, the examiner will cover the brake for you, will hit the brake. But when you're driving by yourself, be mindful of those things as well. Okay? We are here on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas here at Pierre Driving School we cover as well. Driving within your speed limit and pay attention to the traffic, as it can change at any minute. Traffic is building up ahead. I'm already preparing myself in the event that I have to stop. Always forward planning all your moves, okay? Road split, we stay to the right. Student always keep on the right side, okay? For the purpose of the road test, student always on the right side of the road, all right, folks? And whatever you do, contrary from going straight, you must always signal all of your attention, okay? Do not do anything without signaling it, all right? Car park on my right side, I'm gonna signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around it. After completely passing it, signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it back in. Whatever you do to the left, you bring it back to the left, to the right, and equal it out, okay? Same way out, same way back in. Both ends on this steering wheel, moving along. It's all about delivering, folks. The minute you and I can do that, changes everything. It's all about delivering. I know you know how to drive. You know how to drive. But if you have not yet done the road test, the examiner can care less. You just have to do what they expect for you to do while you do in your road test. It's as simple as that is. It's only 10 minutes. They're not looking for big time drivers or anything in that nature. They want you to be safe and the time that they get in the car with you, from leaving the curve to coming back. The minute you can do that in a safe manner as possible, you are on the way to get your license with no issue. But otherwise, you're gonna have to be taking the road test many times, of which I did 3 times before I come to understand that's how they wanted to get done. The minute I understood that, I composed myself and I passed my test on the 3rd time. You see, I'm gonna run to the right, a signal to the right, cars already turned. I don't need to do that anymore. I'm gonna go out to the left, I signal to the left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around, okay? Then I'm gonna bring it back in. You see, guys? It's tedious, but that's what they have to do. Are you doing that in real life? No, you don't. Are you doing, do you have to do with this? Yes, you do. So it's all about what do you want it to do? Do you want it to get it the right way? This guy in front of me here, so I'm slowing down because I don't know what he's doing. Okay, make me, because in real life it's very tedious for you to keep doing this thing, you know? But since we're doing a lesson, we have to train accordingly. I'm showing you all the things thereof for you to do. And this is one of those things. Anything you guys want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. Okay, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification squad. Each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one. Going over the yellow line, you'll be the first one to be notified. Okay, I got my signal on because I'm going over the yellow line. Otherwise, I would have not got it because you cannot drive in the middle like this, and I'm taking my signal back up to come back to my lane. All right? Pay attention to all your surrounding, folks, at all the time. Light is blinking. It ain't no rush. Do I have it? Yes, I do. Okay? Without anything extra, I do have the light. Otherwise, I would have fall back, let it clear. It ain't no rush. Okay? It ain't no rush. Always remember that, folks. It ain't no rush. The driving school here on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. I'm gonna go around left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around it. I'm gonna bring it back here, and bring it back in. You guys can see? Signaling all of my attention, folks. All of it. We're going straight across. How is the light moving? Okay, the light is in my favor. See? Quick, I already checked the light. The light is in my favor. Then I continue to go. If it was less than 10, I would have stayed back there until it's completely clear. See? Signal left. Going on left. Okay, I'm going to come back here. Good. All right? The people probably behind me said, oh, shit, this is a student. Because really and truly, they don't do that here in Brooklyn. But we do what we have to do here, if that makes sense. Coming up to a red light, cover the brake, nice and smooth. Okay, you stop when you start losing the first white line. All right, folks? Those are the level of delivery when you're doing your road test the examiner are looking for. Not you can do 110 miles per hour, can spin the car around, can do what you might call it, spinning or donuts, whatever you call it. They don't want to see that. They want you to be safe for the moment you get in the car with them from leaving the curve to coming back. It's only 10 minutes. It's only 10 minutes. The minute you can do that, it changes everything. Okay. The car on my left side was doing something with his light. I was getting confused. I'm like, wait a minute, what is it doing here? You know, I didn't get it. Anyway. Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Now we're on Prospect Park. Yes, that's part of the Brooklyn. Okay, you guys. If you guys are here, you know where you know exactly where I'm at. Yes. If you're not from here, that's it. It's a nice park around here in Brooklyn, Prospect Park. It's on Ocean Avenue. It takes about the entire block. So I'm checking the shoulder quick, bringing it right back in. Okay. Why is the car in front of me is double parking? Is he stopping? You see, guys? Putting the hazard light on and you're going straight. Probably not even know. Welcome to Uber, okay? I just put it off. All right, folks. Driving school on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. We're going straight. We must be on the right side. Mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over. All right, we're keeping it straight over here. Still verify my right. Putting over here. All right, folks, there you have it. This lesson was on Ocean Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep practicing. This has been Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.